Inside the new $90 million Boeing BBJ Max 7, Boeing unveiled their latest luxury private jet interior for the BBJ Max 7 at 2018's National Business Aviation Association conference. Boeing says the interior takes its inspiration from nature. The colors are mainly blue, white, and gray, calming colors for busy individuals. Boeing's line of private jet is reserved for a special kind of wealth known as the Boeing Business Jets, or BBJs for short. They are the private jet equivalent of airliners. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Unarguably, the realm of private jet is filled with machines capable of flying long distances in total comfort. But most of the purpose-built jets can't quite match the Boeing BBJ Max 7. Cleaner engines and fuel-saving winglets, that's a new addition to BBJ Max 7. The exceptional business jet designed to present high-standard luxury and comfortability to the passengers. Based on the Boeing 737-700 series, BBJ Max 7 was unveiled in October 2016 with a travel range of 7,000 nautical miles. Boeing BBJ Max 7 aircraft comes with multiple configuration choices to accommodate from 8 to 50 passengers, with the cabin divided into various sections. Typically, it has a seating area, a bedroom, a bathroom with a shower, a meeting area, and a living zone. It offers an excellent flight range and cruising speed, and its extremely spacious and versatile cabin makes it one of the most chartered private jets used for VIP group travel. Boeing's Max versions are wholly modern machines with high-efficiency power plants and digital cockpits. And the BBJ Max 7 as well as its kin, the Max 8 and Max 9 offers the all-new Genesis cabin concept, an interior finish that wouldn't be out of the place in art gallery. With sticker prices for the cheapest just shy of $90 million, even the average millennial likely couldn't afford to have one in their stable. Notable owners of the converted jet include Tony Robbins with his newest private jet, a BBJ 737, and President Donald Trump, who flew on a Boeing 757 filled with gold plating before being elected president. When the super-rich buys an aircraft of Boeing's size, the process of designing the interior is comparable more to decorating home as they seek to personalize the jet. Owners of the jets frequently turn to design firms to craft the intricate interiors of their homes away from home. While there is no shortage of luxurious ideas, one firm teamed up with Boeing for a new futuristic design for its 737 MAX aircraft that looks more like a science fiction spaceship than it does a private jet. One of the most expensive private planes options, the BBJ Max 7 has a customizable layout that can include open meeting spaces for working, a bathroom with a stand-up shower, and a lounge areas with long sofas. There is also a kitchen and bedroom, as well as a crew lavatory and rest area. A previous interior design for the BBJ Max was developed by Alberto Pinto in warmer shades with classic wood and leather furnishings. From an aviation designer's perspective, the BBJ Max is incredibly appealing because there is so much more interior space to realize one's vision, SkyStyle co-founder Max Pardo said in a press release. Since the Max flies ultra-long distances, the owners are looking for a comfortable lounge, multifunction conference area, and a large master suite. The Genesis concept, designed by SkyStyle, takes inspiration from nature with a white, gray, and blue color palette representing clouds floating above a white sand beach. The ceiling is decorated with LEDs to replicate a starry sky, while the cabin features long curvy lines to evoke rolling hills. The main cabin is complete with LED lights, and the overall layout can be customized to suit individuals' tastes. Boeing has designed the BBJ Max 7 to have an open format for comfort and ease. Except designer sofas and stand-up showers, the jet is fully equipped for entertaining with a dining room and kitchen and bedroom. The aircraft is also large enough to house a large bedroom with a king-size bed and opposite wardrobe. The star-shaped LED lights in the ceiling also give the appearance of sleeping under the stars while flying directly under them in the upper altitude. And like most Boeing private jets, a full shower can be installed to further make it into a home-like environment. This particular interior is intended to mirror a tropical beach landscape, but like the aircraft's other features, the color palette is customizable. The onboard technology is also customizable to Arabic or any other language that the end user prefers. While the design isn't the most luxurious, it offers an ultra-modern alternative to traditional configurations not currently found on the most aircraft. Measuring 26.11 by 3.66 by 2.13 meters, the cabin offers a very spacious space than other business jets that accommodates a master bedroom, living room, office space, dining area, and even a shower room. The aircraft provides more luggage room below the deck with a 7.8 cubic meter cargo space. The layout is anything but ordinary, departing from traditional configuration and incorporating VV lines into the layout. Still, there is room for compartment including a galley, dining area, living room, office, and bedroom. Sky Style's concept takes full advantage of benefit that Boeing's jet have over its Gulfstream, Bombardier, Dassault, and Embraer competitors, which is and will always be an abundance of open space. Even the smallest of Boeing's narrow-bodied features more space than most know what to do with, creating endless possibilities for their owners. After all, the jet were designed for airline customers and intended to fit as many people as possible. The Max 7 variant, the first to market, boasts a range of 8,000 miles thanks to a flexible fuel supply system. Pending variants comes in slightly lower ranges but still above the 7,000 miles. And space, well, you choose how you want it finished. It is the ultimate blank slate. Open concept is also a key feature of the design, but strategically placed pillars contain foldable barriers to offer on-demand privacy when needed, whether it be for an important meeting or just a getaway from the other passengers. Even the partition that separates the galley and dining room can be opened and countertop moved between the galley island and dining room table to easily transport meals between the two sections. We already operate a BBJ NG as well as a G550, and we've chosen the BBJ Max 7 because it offers more room and more range. The BBJ Max 7 has features and capability that allows us to meet our very long distance and demanding international flights with the best passenger comfort in its class, said CEO Dudi Purva Gandhi at the time. BBJs were initially operated by Fortune 100 companies like Aramco and Trescinta, NetJets, casinos like the Las Vegas Sands, but the 2008 recession put ultra-large jets under scrutiny and were divested by many companies including the Limited, General Electric, and Occidental Petroleum. Similarly, Xi Jinping anti-corruption campaign reduced conspicuous consumption of private jets in China. BBJ are now operated by private firms and individuals. Fresno's Assami Group, Miami's Crescent Heights, Wichita's Town & Country Food Market, Fun Air Corporation, toymaker TY Incorporation, Fortress Transportation and instructor Jeffrey Katzenberg, John Travolta, Steven Spielberg, Washington Corporation, Tutor Saliba or Pachinko King Hideyuki Basojima, with many registrations hiding their owners' identities. BBJ Max 7 has a 35.92-meter dihedral swept wing configured with split-tip winglets designed to reduce drag by the use of laminar airflow. It boasts an automatically deployable air stairs for convenient boarding and deboarding of passengers. These stairs have advanced handrails that automatically retract into the compartment under its main cabin. The BBJ Max 7 also features updated flight decks, reduced noise profile, fly-by-wire spoiler, and improved aerodynamics, powered by fuel-efficient CFM LEAP-1B engines with a thrust of 28,000 pounds. Boeing BBJ Max 7 has a more economical fuel burn rate and lower carbon emissions, and a greater range than BBJ Max 8 and Max 9. It reaches up to service ceiling of 41,000 feet with a 470 knots maximum cruising speed. The maximum fuel capacity carried by BBJ Max 7 is 10,464 US gallon, while the maximum takeoff weight is 80,286 kilograms. The aircraft has an operating empty weight of 48,230 kilograms. The jet will cost $90 million and has a range of 7,000 nautical miles and flies at 527 miles per hour. Not surprisingly, Boeing offers some of the best private jets on the market. As of 2019, The company has sold more than 10,000 units of 737 aircraft, that marking it as the best-selling aircraft in aviation history. The private jet version of these aircraft made 260 of those sales, and the BBJ Max 7 has accumulated up to 20 orders. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here. Thank you.